Okay guys, in this video we will talk about how to create a logo for your e-commerce store. So basically, like I told you before, I use Canva. Okay, this is canva.com. What we can do is here, like we can like choose one size. It doesn't matter which size. Okay, and our store name is Darion. Okay, Darion. It's very simple. Okay, we just play around with the font, yeah, the text font. Okay, and what I like to use is Norvesta. Okay, Norvesta. Okay, so you have this one. You make it a little bigger. Okay, and then you can add like an icon. That's what I like to do. You could do like Darion, like here at the right side, and you can add like a card. Okay, this looks very nice, I think. Okay. Also very important, play with one color scheme. So try to integrate your color scheme right with your logo, right? So if we want to use blue, then also create the logo blue. Build an accent in your logo. Okay, so we will do blue. Okay, so we have this color scheme. So what we can also do is like make this black and this blue. This will look better, I think. Yeah, perfect. This looks perfect. Okay, so that's basically what you need. You don't need any professional designer. You can pay someone 20, 30, 50 bucks, but you can create it by your own. All right, this app is, you can use this for free. Okay, just then you download it, transparent, and yeah, then click on download. Okay, that's all what you need. This is your logo, and in the next video we will get into the store, like into Shopify, how to build your store. So see you in the next video.